Legends of Learning presents the Digital Time Game. This is a math game that makes learning about telling and writing time fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, do you know what the correct time is to fix the great city clock's gears? Drag the correct digital time box into the missing slot. In this game by Zapzapmath, students will learn how to read a clock, which uses digital time up to half an hour. This math game will test your knowledge of time. Click with the mouse to correctly identify the right time, and click and drag and drop the right time into the clock as per the instructions. See if you can correctly identify the right time to continue to higher levels. You will be challenged with more difficult questions on telling the time. Click with the mouse to drag and drop the right clock faces with the digital time and match the time with the description of time in words that is displayed on screen to see if they match correctly. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.